ओम सहना भवतु सहनं भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की जय। ओके, टुडे I will make bhate bhat. You see, this is made in Ma's ashram and it is served every time during Sanyam Saptah. So one day is Brahma Khichdi, which I have already shown you. Next day they serve bhate bhat. Then third day is just fruits. Then again Brahma Khichdi. Then again bhate bhat. It goes on for 7 days this way. So this is the kind of bhate bhat we eat in Gujarat, Bhilpur ashram. Okay. So I'm going to show you the ingredients first. इसमें क्या क्या जाता है? गाजर, मटर, cauliflower. These are all the masalas. This is farasbi, French beans, tomato, aloo. Then this is nimbu ka juice. Then this is kadi patta, cinnamon, dalchini, cloves, mirchi, हरा धनिया और यहाँ अदरक है. So I've kept everything ready. You take, the sabzis are very little. Chawal is more, and it's just chawal. It has to be khulla, like khulla pulao, So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So I'll show you. Now I'm taking a bowl which is cook and serve. It's so pretty. So I'm taking that, so I won't serve separately. Okay, now first you put oil. And you mix ghee with it. Yeah. Okay. Then you take zeera. Then you put a little अदरक, मिर्ची, क्लोव्स, cinnamon, mirchi I'm putting a little more. Then you put kadi patta. Just throw everything in. There's no rocket science in this. Then stir. As you go on stirring, put a little sugar. Keep the flame on slow and put sugar. Okay, now this is done. Then you take all your veggies. Everything goes in. You can take as much rice as you want, because there is no hard and fast. It depends on how many people are there. Then you put the hara dhaniya. Now I have to take, I have to take the aloo. So I'm going near the sink. Okay. Now you throw in the aloo and stir everything nicely. Now keep the flame on high. Then you put in salt. Then throw in your tomato. Stir. Vegetables all have to be very tiny pieces. Okay? Then you put little bit of haldi. Then you put little bit of mirchi powder, depending on how tikha or whatever you want. Then you put little garam masala. That's it. Then you put a little jeera powder. I have to grind some jeera. My jeera is getting over. Jeera powder. It always gives a nice taste. Jeera powder. Smells so good. After you saute it nicely, then you throw in your rice. I've taken 1.5 measures, 1.5 cups. Mix this. Now add nimbu juice. See, I've taken half a nimbu. Now put just enough water, not too much. More. That's it. And then it's on high. Once it comes to a boil, then you cover it, make it slow, the flame, and then cover it with the lid. It's boiling now, and once it is completely boiling, then I will cover it and show it to you. It's not difficult, it's just very easy. See now, it's coming to a boil. You see that little bubbly stuff? When it starts bubbling like that, then you put the flame on slow and then cover it with the lid. So see, this is serving as well as everything. So it's very simple to do it. So once it is ready, then I'll open it and I'll show it to you. Okay? Okay. Now I think the bhathe is done. See, have a look. See how nicely it has been done. Kulla chawal, you know. So this is bhathe bhat. And it smells so good. This is how it is done. Now the thing is, with bhathe bhat, you can either have plain dahi or you can have masala dahi, which I will make and I'll show you in the next episode, not this one. It's like you can have just dahi with little salt or pepper in it or zeera in it, or you can have masala dahi. There are lots of ways of doing masala dahi. I'll show you in the next one, and you can have plain dahi also, there's no problem. So that's all for now, and I hope you like it. Please comment, try it at home, make it and see, taste it. It's wonderful. Okay, so please subscribe, whoever hasn't subscribed, you know. So that's all. Om Sahanavatu Sahanavunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. बोलो शिशिमानंदमयी की जय।